Hey lovelies. So I've been dying to show you guys how I've been achieving this twist out. Somehow it just turns out perfect every time, and I only use 2 products. It's so defined, moisturized, and shiny, and it has movement, honey. So I'm gonna show you lovely people how I went from woo cha to who gon' check me, boo. And we're starting on clean hair, of course. And I like to work in sections because my hair is super thick and it's just much easier that way. So like I said, I only use 2 products. One of them I'm sure you're very familiar with, but this first one you may not have heard of. It is this coconut oil from Coconut Restore. As soon as I put it on my hair instantly softened up. This product reminded me of grease initially, but as I really start to use it, it is very much so coconut oil. And you can tell it softened up because I'm using a paddle brush to detangle my hair and to smooth it out. And if you have coarse hair, you know that that's not always the easiest thing to do, especially on dry hair. I find that I get the best result with dry hair. This next product I'm pretty sure you all are very familiar with because it's super popular, and that is Eco Styler Gel. And this is the black castor and flaxseed oil. This is my first time trying this one. This contains vitamin E, fiber, and omega-3. So this oil is gonna add a lot of shine and moisture, make sure my hair stays hydrated because I do plan on wearing this style for a while. So mixing these 2 products, I didn't have to worry about any residue or flaking because they mixed very well together. If you do see any like white patches in my hair, it's just because I probably didn't rub the product in. But yeah, these 2 products were just the perfect combination for this style and my hair. So I definitely recommend you try it, and I hope it works just as well for you. So this gel works perfectly with this style because it is water based. So that is why I did not have to use water because the product already adds enough of that. And when the gel dries down, it's going to be much more defined, and I like that look a lot better. And I find that the gel dries a lot quicker if you do not add water. My twists are fairly small, but you can do them medium size, large size, whatever works for your hair texture and your hair length and whatever kind of look you're going for. So I'm about halfway done twisting, and despite the smile on my face, my arms were killing me. If you haven't noticed, I am doing like a coiling method towards the ends of my hair. This is just gonna help it look styled and neat towards the end and give it like a nice kind of curly effect. So I'm just using a bit of the Eco Styler gel just to touch up my edges with this little edges brush. Comes in handy. And that is pretty much a wrap for the twisting part. It was quite a bit of work. This is 2 days later. I've had these twists in for about 2 days, and I kind of just pinned them up, pinned them back a little bit just to create a little look here. But we're about to take these down 2 days later, still moisturized. Let's see what kind of definition we got. So I'm just going to start taking the twist down. I did coat my hands with some of the coconut oil just to keep the frizz down, but there is going to be a little frizz. I mean, I've had the twist in for 2 days. So we're just gonna untwist. You don't even have to take all of the twist down. If you want to just take some out just to add some volume and keep some of them in there, that would look cute too. Give me all that volume, sis. So I'm just taking the pick and fluffing up the parts that look a little flat. There's a couple of twists that I missed here, but we're pretty much done. And bada boom, it's a wrap. I'm done. I love it. Very defined, very shiny, very moisturized, and this style lasts you forever. Come on, subscribe, like, why not? Bye guys, see you next time.